This all are the marble design.
Introduce about yourself. What's your name?
I'm Kapil, and this is a shop named Manakama Ceramics. And we have a lot of varieties of marble ceramic tiles, fittings, imported wash basins. This all are
Since
the
how many
varieties
years you are working here?
from Korea.
Okay, just explain to me
Yeah,
about
these all
this
are the
tile.
marble designs, bigger size, bigger slabs. Size is 2.5 by 8. Lot of different varieties, light colors, dark colors, all Italian shades. 15 thickness. These are a customized style. It can be designed in any size. Again, these are developed in any size, customized. Any pattern, any size you can do. Any photo if you give, even that can be done. Again, same all Italian designs, marble designs. 15 thickness. Bathroom tiles for PG, for rented house.
How much are the rates?
60 rupee ma'am, 55, 60, all different ranges.
What are these?
Again, these are the bathroom tiles ma'am, you can use with a combination, 3-color combination with highlighter also you can use. Something a stone like tile with different color of combination available. These all are wooden finish tiles. Looks like a laminate.
Which is the one?
Tiles you can use for elevation, TV unit area, for any wall. Ceramic tiles. This price is around 45 to up to 65 rupees each. Colorful tiles for bathroom, kitchen.
What are the rates of these?
125.
And what are these?
These are again for parking, passage, balcony, bathroom flooring, for any
How is
floor
the
and wall you
price?
can use now. In this it starts from 60 rupee, from 60 up to 185. Again a wooden look for bedroom, kitchen, passage, terrace flooring.
Explain to me.
These are the again highlighters, expensive highlighters for bathroom, kitchen, different designs available. This all are 1200 rupees square feet. It's here also colorful. All up to 1200, 1500 rupees square feet. This you can use for kitchen, bathroom tiles, imported highlighters. All Spain tiles. 1500 rupees square feet. Same again, imported Spain highlighters. 1500 rupees. These are the 2x1 tiles, imported Spain tiles. All top layer are glass coated. 2000 rupees per piece. These are the imported wash basins. All marble Italian design wash basins. Single. It starts from 6,000 up to 12,000.
How much are these commodes?
Commodes 12,000, 13,000, all different ranges.
Uh-huh.
This is again a natural stone wash machine. 22,000, an imported tap. Again a natural stone wash basin.
What do you call this stone? Natural stone?
Natural wash basin. This is also a cabinet set.
Lights. Explain.
This is even a cabinet option with wash basin, whole set. $32,000 whole set.